Just passing through the garage on the way into the house, not doing nothing, just sort of hanging around, not doing nothing. So I thought, you know what, I'll put the tester on this battery. It's been on a charger for 2 days. So let's see if this battery's any good. Excuse me. I'll reach up here and get my load tester. Put these back. All right, hooking up the battery. Positive, negative, just opposite from the way the thing is. So let's do this. Okay. Got a good solid, almost 13 volts there. Let's put a load on with the switch here. Let me see. Can you see everything? Yeah. This puts the load on. Let's see what it does. Whoa! Deader than a doornail. Will not take any load. Bad battery. Bad battery. Bad, bad, bad. So, need a new battery. Well, that's about all. I'm not doing anything else right now. I just wanted to test that, and I'll even I'm going to tilt this so you can see it better. Okay, is that better? Can you actually see the meter? All right. I'll zoom in and tilt down. Yeah, it won't take a load at all. With a load, it should still stay right in this area for a motorcycle battery. Sorry. It'd be bad.